Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox maps. First, you will need to download and install Roblox Studio, which is the free development environment for Roblox. Once installed, open it up and select a new baseplate or a template to start your project. Take a few moments to explore the interface. Understanding the layout of the Workspace, Explorer, and Properties windows will be incredibly helpful as you begin your creative journey. Now, let's dive into the core of building. The Part tool is your best friend for creating basic shapes such as blocks, spheres, and cylinders. After placing a part, you can use the Move, Scale, and Rotate tools to position, resize, and orient it exactly how you envision. For more complex designs, remember to group your parts together. This keeps your workspace organized and allows you to move or modify entire sections of your map with ease. To truly bring your map to life, focus on adding detail and interactivity. Experiment with different materials like wood, metal, or glass, and choose vibrant colors to make your creations pop. The toolbox offers a vast library of free pre-made models, from trees to furniture, which can quickly enrich your environment. Don't shy away from simple scripting. Even a few lines of code can make doors open, lights toggle, or objects move, adding a whole new layer of engagement. Finally, it's time to test and share your masterpiece. Regularly playtesting your map is crucial for finding and fixing any bugs or design flaws before others encounter them. Take a moment to adjust your game settings, ensuring spawn points are correctly placed and player properties are set as desired. Once you are satisfied with your creation, publish your game to Roblox. Now, millions of players can explore and enjoy the world you've built.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.